Mrs. Thomas, Officer Thomas, go ahead and open up.
Push okay.
Hello? Yeah.
State of Michigan, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Judge Sean Perkins presiding. While court is in session, there will be no smoking, eating, drinking, sleeping, and or laying down. I will ask that if you have on any hats or hoodies, that you please remove them unless due to religious purposes. Thank you, everyone. Good morning, Judge. Good morning to everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you.
No, it was sleep.
Hello?
All right, good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm trying to get you out in the order that you came in. If I don't call you directly, that means I have already got you signed in, and we're gonna get going now. We have two very good lawyers. If you don't have one for yourself, I don't know if we have any offers yet. I don't have any. Ms. Mason, good morning to you. We're going to start with Deshaun Giles.
Good morning.
Good morning to you, sir. I'm wondering, I don't see you on the docket. Let me see if I'm overlooking you. I don't know. Do you have, why are you here? Mr. Giles?
Yes, sir.
I don't see you on the docket. What's your middle name?
Anthony.
Yeah, it seems like all your cases are closed.
I got a card in the mail saying that April 1st at 8:25.
You have a case number on that card?
Let me put my glasses on if I can see it, sir.
I have nothing open for you.
Okay.
Go ahead, you can put your glasses on and tell me you're 417-75?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have nothing here open for you.
Okay. Ticket case number SP14275. 872.
872?
Yes.
It's dismissed, it's closed, everything's closed. If there's nothing further, Mr. Giles, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Well, thank you, sir, and happy belated Easter.
You too, thank you.
All right.
All of them are like that today. Edward Golden.
Yes. Good morning.
Morning. What's your middle name, sir?
Marshawn.
Well, look like we're batting 1,000 because I don't see anything for you either.
Set for review, Your Honor. 825.
On the improper plates, SP 105-26193. Close.
Yes,
Have a
you
good
were.
day, mister. Have a good day, mister. Let me make sure it's dismissed.
Yeah, because there was two of them.
Dismiss and dismiss. Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you, all right?
All right, thank you.
What's the chances we get 3 in a row, Mr. Gray?
No chance.
No chance?
No chance.
You want to take that bet?
Yeah, I'll take that bet.
You probably best, because Mr. James Gibson, he messed that up. This is Mr. Gibson, are you Mr., what's your date of birth?
January 1st, 1987.
Yeah, he really messed it up. City of Detroit versus James Gibson III. Case number SP 121-8178, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 121-81821. SP 122-0437, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 129-4655, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 129-5489, 1. SP 134-76862. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Gibson.
James Edwin Gibson III.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
There are not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Here's the offer. 1 count of improper plates, 2 counts of improper plates, 1 count of allowance, 3 counts of improper plates, 4 counts of improper plates, and another count of FTD. Plead to six misdemeanors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6 misdemeanors and dismissing, I guess, 6. A $240 fine apiece. The FTD will abstract to the Secretary of State, won't carry points. The other ones are come up dismiss upon payment. You have an absolute right to a trial. I'll put you in the breakout room with Mr. Berry. Join the room, please. Let us know what you want to do. When you get out, you have an absolute right to adjourn.
Okay.
If you can. Nah, what does he have some documents he wants to show us?
No, I don't see anything there. Yes, Mark. Oh, yeah.
All right, let's move on to, let's pass that matter. Jamar Green.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning.
Jamar Dwight Green.
Yes.
All right. City of Detroit versus Jamar Dwight Green. Case number SP 154-05281. Appearance for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Pauline Soroka here for Mr. Green.
Green, state your name for the record, please.
Mark Dwight Green.
So I should have asked, what's the chances of we having 2 people born on January 1st? Mr. Green, you have a license?
I got 1 ticket that I have to pay, and I'm gonna pay it today. So it should be reinstated by the end of today.
That's with who? Some other jurisdiction?
You said what?
Is that with some other jurisdiction?
No, yes, sir. Yes, it is. Highland Park.
Okay. All right, you want to come back? Bring a valid license, and I'm thinking the city may recommend a dismissal on a valid license.
Okay, that's fine. I have it all handled today.
Let's give you another date. Let's give you a pretrial date for May the 23rd. That gives you plenty of time to make sure that's valid and everything. All right.
All right, thank you.
Have a great day, Mr. Green. Best of luck to you.
You too.
Lacey, Daryl, is that Daryl Dean Lacey Jr.?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor. Good morning, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Daryl Dean Lacey Jr. This number SP 1472139, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Senator Pauline Soroka, we have Mr. Lacy. This time we waive the formal reading of the information, stand mute to the charges.
We have him a $0 bond. Offer is pleading to amended count of improper place 240 and allowing 240. I'll dismiss both upon payment $240 fine. Absolute right to a trial, Mr. Lacy. Put you in a breakout room, speak to Ms. Soroki about it. Let us know what you want to do with it tomorrow.
Okay.
Attorney Weiner, good morning to you. Let's pass on Lacy. Attorney Weiner, good morning to you.
Good morning, Judge Arnold Weiner. I'm good to see you again, sir. I'm here for Mr. Jaro Rodriguez.
Yes, he's here.
And I know he's logged in.
I'm here. Good morning.
Sorry, Counselor, I did see you come in, but I kind of forgot you were there. I was out a little bit soon. State of Michigan. Oh, this is a formal hearing. I'm gonna put you in a room. I think the Trooper Dana. Good morning, Indy. I'm gonna put you in a room with Trooper Dana. You can have a discussion with him. I don't know if he wants to wait on the state attorney. I can allow that as well. But Trooper Dana, is this your case with Jaro Lopez Rodriguez? Good morning to you.
No, Judge. The officer's name on the ticket is Shields.
Let's see here. Yes, Shields. Okay. I'm sorry. All right. Let's give Shields another few minutes, another 16 minutes to show. We'll pass the matter. Trooper doesn't show, we'll get you out of here.
I will wait.
Your Honor,
patiently. Thank you.
This is the city prosecutor. May I get up privileges, please? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. On the iPhone there, who's on that iPhone that I just left in the room? Young lady in the white top. Good morning to you, ma'am. What's your name, please?
Good morning. If you're talking to me, it's Quenisha Gatewood.
Good morning, Ms. Gatewood.
Good morning. How are you?
Well, how about yourself?
I could be better.
I hope that you get to that point, all right? The matter is set for trial today, so we're going to give the officers a half-hour grace period from 9 a.m. they don't show up by 9:30, we'll get you out of here. If they do show up, then we will give you an opportunity to pre-try the case, see if we can work the deal out without having to go to trial. If you don't like that offer, then we'll get you a trial, all right?
Okay, perfect.
Okay, on the iPhone, Mr. Barry, are we ready on Mr. Gibson?
Ready, Your Honor.
Go back on the record with Mr. James Gibson. I was saying before you left, that when you left, I should have asked you, what are the chances you think somebody's on, 2 people born on January 1st, because the other defendant was born on January 1st as well. But what does Mr. Gibson want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Gibson?
Yeah.
The trial date is going to be June the 21st, 2024 at 9 a.m. If it's nothing further, Mr. Gibson, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, okay?
Okay, say June 21st, 9.
June 21st, 2024 at 9 a.m.
Okay.
All right, let me get that person on the iPhone that I just let in, asking you to start your video and audio. Good morning, ma'am. What's your name, please?
Good morning. My name is Ashley Gatlin.
Ashley Gatlin?
Yes.
All right, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Dang, man.
Let's, Mr. Gibbs, you're ready. You're free to leave. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you. June the 21st. I mean, June the 21st. All right. Larry Lavelle.
Yes, Your Honor.
Morning to you, sir.
Morning, sir.
State of Michigan versus Larry Lavelle. Case number SX4330765, count 1 and count 2. Mr. Berry, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Lovell.
Larry Lee Lavelle.
All right, city, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. I think this is probably best to set a trial date. We don't have a state attorney to give you an offer on this, but typically they want to see speak to the officer. This is sort of fact-intensive case here.
Yeah, he should have been one.
Pardon me?
Your
He should
Honor,
have been one.
this is Trooper Dana. I'm here on Larry Lavelle.
Oh, so we need to get a Trooper Dana. Good morning to you. So let's do this. Let's call the state attorney.
Sir, I voided the citation after we spoke to the driver. So this ticket has been voided, and that's why I didn't get some. But
okay. So we're going to dismiss.
Yes, please.
Sure. All right. Well, there you go, Mr. Lavelle. Cases are dismissed per Dana. This is a true. Thanks for that. Be safe out there, and you have a very good day. And Mr. Lavelle, you be safe and have a very good day as well. All right, case dismissed.
Thank you, Honor. Thank you, Trooper Dana.
You're
Have a
welcome.
good day.
All right, you too.
Have a good
Bye-bye.
day. Thank you.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Daryl Dean Lacey. Mr. Lacey, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, my client is going to continue his plea not guilty, request a bench trial date.
Okay. Is that what you want to do, Mr. Lacey?
Yes, sir. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very well. June 21st, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right.
Okay.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Cordelia G.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's the G stand for, Mr. Cordelia?
Goodman.
Good. All right.
I don't know exactly what time I was supposed to come today.
You probably don't know exactly what time, because I don't know exactly what time. It doesn't appear that you're.
8:55.
Yeah, you told me to come back on your brother's birthday.
Did you? Yeah, it is his birthday today. 8:35, you said?
8:45.
That's not Goodman. That's Destiny Goodman.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
My sister?
Oh no. Oh no. All of y'all are running amok, huh?
You gonna be mad at me because I inquired some more tickets.
Goodman, let's see. Let's see here. Cordelia Janae Goodman.
Yes.
Your sister Destiny Odessa Goodman.
Yeah.
Where's she?
I have no idea. I was just gonna text her phone because I felt like that was her.
These tickets are
I
trial
was
date.
supposed to pay it off and came back if I did or didn't. I started paying it off, but I got 2 or 3 more tickets.
You didn't pay. You didn't pay anything.
I've started paying. I paid about $600 or $700 now.
Okay. I don't know. Maybe you paid it and it's reading closed. And this is
I paid some the day that I got out of the court last time, and then I made another payment March-ish.
We'll call it into the record. City of Detroit versus Cordelia Janae Goodman. Case number SP156064, counts 1, 2, and 3, and SP8013421. I don't know why that wasn't taken care of a long time ago. We'll also call the ones that you were supposed to pay today, SP1182070 and SP1182071. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Miss Goodwin.
Goodman.
Goodman.
So you missed the trial date on February 1st, it appears, on the one case. Let me see.
No, February 1st, I believe is when you told me to come back today with stuff paid off.
That's what I want to see. Oh, she was here February 1st. So something happened. I believe we may have missed that. Cordelia Goodman. We may have missed that because that should have been incorporated. That was an old case. All right, let's pass the matter. Let's see what's going on, and we'll see what we can see where this goes. All right.
Okay, thank you.
All right, City of Detroit versus Shelby Chantel Griffin, case number SP 15195051. Appearance for the record, please.
Yes, I'm here.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of Ms. Griffin. State your full name, Ms. Griffin.
Shelby Chantel Griffin.
All right, good morning, Ms. Griffin.
Good morning.
Is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant, Counselor?
Your Honor, we would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
We'll enter a not guilty plea on her behalf. We'll give her a $0 bond. It appears that she's paid a related civil infraction in this matter. You're going to have to see 2/29/2024 paid a $145 toward an expired plate. The offer as it stands now is improper plate, $240 fine, absolute right to a trial. Speak to Mr. Berry in the breakout room, all right?
Okay.
Let's first Ms. Yeah, the file.
The file was sent downstairs.
That's all right.
You want me to go ahead and dismiss it?
I don't know what it is.
You want to put it back in?
All right, let's go back on the record with Miss Goodman. Miss Goodman, I'm going to dismiss SP 8013421. Away from fee, you're going to pay the statement fee, $45. I'm going to set these other matters, no plate, are all civil infractions. I'm going to, so you have 11 of 15 over, Ms. Mason, a no proof of insurance and a no plate, all civil infractions. What's Ms. Goodman's offer going to be on those 3 tickets?
I'm looking for her too.
Okay. Put you in a breakout room 4.
Okay.
Hello.
Are you with are you on with
I have Ms. Griffin, Your Honor.
Yeah, you have Ms. Griffin. Ms. Soroki, are you on with Ms. Goodman?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, give her an offer 11 to 15, no proof of insurance and no plate, all civil infractions. She can get a formal hearing if she doesn't like the offer. I'll put you in a breakout room 4, and when Ms. Mason comes back.
What was the 11 to 15 before? Is that the
It was
original?
always 11 to 15.
All right.
11 to 15, no insurance proof and no plates.
So I'm waiting to get an offer from this. Okay.
So I don't know if she has a license or not, but if they ask her to plead to the 2 moving violations, no insurance and a speeding ticket from the forbidden form is going to affect her license for 2 years more than likely. All right. All right, Mr. Weiner, let's call the state of Michigan versus Carl Lopez Rodriguez, case number SX4333098. Appearance for the record, please.
Arnold Weiner, retained counsel, P22104, on behalf of Mr. Rodriguez. No objection to Zoom. Mr. Rodriguez, state your full name if you have any objection to Zoom.
Jairo Lopez Rodriguez.
Any objection to Zoom, sir?
Yes.
Any object? You do object to Zoom?
No, I don't. I'm sorry.
Okay. All right. So today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Do we have a Trooper Shields? I believe it's a trooper. Officer Shields, Trooper Shields. No Trooper Shields here. Okay, hearing no response, I only have two troopers in the, two officers in the room one. Hearing no response, go ahead, Councilman.
I would move for a dismissal without prejudice, Judge.
Okay, no Trooper Shields, is that correct? All right, I'm going to dismiss the case. No officer. Have a very good day. Attorney Weiner and your client, Mr. Lopez Rodriguez. Best of luck to you both.
We can log on. Thank you.
Thank you. Likewise.
Can we go back on the record? We ready on Griffin, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Miss Shelby Chantel Griffin. Well, what's the recommendation?
The recommendation is dismissal, Your Honor, per the prosecutor.
Okay, very well. I'll say paid related civil infraction.
Yep.
All right. If there's nothing further, Ms. Griffin, I'm going to waive the warrant fee as well. All right.
Thank you.
Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you. Be safe.
You as well. 313-236-0052.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Warren, what's your name, please?
Ramzi Muhammad Ali Gal.
Randy Muhammad Aliga?
No, Ramzi, which is R-A-M-Z-I. And then the last name is G-H-A-L-E-B, Gallup.
Oh, Ramsey Gallup. Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
This is the city of Detroit versus Randy Gallup, case number C565566, counts 1 and counts 2, and U59307921. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Soroki on behalf of Mr. Gallup.
Sorry, I couldn't catch that.
Can you state your name for the record, Mr. Gallup?
Repeat my name.
Yes, please.
Ramzi, like R-A-M-Z-I. And then last name is, yeah.
Go ahead.
G-H-A-L-E-B.
All right. Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, waiving the formal reading of the information, standing mute to the charges.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. Give your client a $0 bond. we're gonna need an updated offer. He has a 1 to 5 and an improper plate. Those were something that was not on the docket, so go to.
Your Honor, I'm sorry, what are the charges on that when I was in the other courtroom?
1 to 5 and an improper plate. He also has a loudspeaker. So we need an offer on the improper plate and the 1 to 5.
What's the defendant?
Gallup, 9 at 8:30, just about 2 name down after Gallup.
What's it? I'm sorry, Gallo, you said?
Gallup. Yeah, there's no offer on this at all because it wasn't on your docket. Ramsey Gallup, G-H-A-L-E-B. You don't have it on your docket.
Okay.
So he has a 1 to 5, improper plate, loudspeaker. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki. Join the room, Ms. Soroki, and see if you can work something out for your client.
Thank you.
That loud music ticket is 2021.
Yeah, I didn't.
Hold on a second, sir. No, please let your lawyer do the talking for you, all right?
Oh, I hired no lawyer. I'm not sure.
Go ahead. You have what? You hired a lawyer?
No.
He said I hired no lawyer.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, okay, 2021. You got a lawyer here. You have a very good lawyer. This is the wrong file.
Oh, okay.
All right. So go speak to Miss Mason in the breakout room. You have the allegations, Ms. Soroki. See what you can work out for your client.
Thank you.
She doesn't have a file. Good. Giddings. Inspector Walton, good morning to you.
Good morning, how are you?
All right, we'll see if we can get you out of here soon.
Okay.
Giddings. Is Giddings here? Alana Giddings, I think I just let her in. Did she connect the audio? She has not.
Yes, I'm here.
Are you there?
Yes.
Good morning to you.
Oh, Lord.
This is the city of Detroit versus Alana Giddings, case number SP 146-56141, SP 146-56151, SP 149-21241. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Giddings.
Marquita Givens.
No, this is not, we're talking about Giddings, Alana Giddings. All right, let's pass.
I'm sorry.
That's all right. I think that Ms. Giddings, she was just back in the room. She must have got disconnected again. Let's pass that. You're gonna need to get an updated offer for her anyway, Mr. Berry, all right?
Yes.
Let's move down to Larry, Maurice Larry.
I'm here.
This is the city of Detroit versus Maurice Larry, case number SP 1523308, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Larry.
Maurice Larry.
Your Honor, for purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Not guilty plea on his behalf, give him a $0 bond. Mr. Larry, you're gonna have to get an updated offer as well. because only one of his charges are on there, that misdemeanor drove while license, suspended. It appears that he owes a reinstatement fee. I can allow him to pay that reinstatement fee up front. And potentially, he can come back with a valid license. I don't know if you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions or not.
Yeah, Your Honor, I do have a valid license now.
Do you? Let's see what he got. Run it, please.
And the other two charges are?
The other two charges are no insurance and a expired plate. We'll run the license first, and then we can get an updated offer after that.
I'm here, Judge. Which the court? Who's the defendant?
License is valid for Maurice Cordell Larry. So Mr. Larry, he has a no insurance civil infraction and an expired plate civil infraction. That's the two we need an offer on. He had a driving while licensed, while unlicensed, no insurance, the expired plate. He has a valid license. Go speak with Ms. Mason in the room for an updated offer. Please keep in mind, you have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Larry.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Judge. This
Hold
is
on,
Cornelia.
don't interrupt, please. Let me get the record. We're recording this, all right? I'll get right with you, Ms. Goodman. All right, go in the breakout room, Mr. Berry. Work that out with for Mr. Larry.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Are you representing Goodman, Ms. Soroki?
Yes, so her offer was 1 to 5.
All right. All right, now, Ms. Goodman, let's go back on the record for Ms. Goodman. You wanted to say something, Ms. Goodman?
I'm sorry, it's not even pertaining to me. I was on the phone with Destiny and she's asking if it's too late for her to join in.
Oh, she told her to join in.
He said join in, Destiny.
Um, 1 to 5, you're gonna get 1 point on your license. You take this deal, $125, dismissing the other 2 counts. Back on the record with Ms. Goodman. Right.
Your Honor, I never went out to a breakout room.
Hold on a second. Let's go ahead, Ms. Goodman.
Can we set up a trial date?
We can set it.
Because when I talked to the officer, he told me he would show up.
Listen, wait a minute. We can set it for a formal hearing. If you had a deal with the officer, guess what? We'll set it for a formal hearing.
Okay.
That's what you want to do?
Yes, please.
Formal hearing. It's going to be June 21st, 2024 at 9 a.m. on those 3 matters. And then I'm dismissing the 1 matter. Then you owe an expired plate, 276. I'll knock that down to 145. That's an old ticket.
June 21st at 9 o'clock.
Yep. Then you have some other stuff here that you need to pay. All right.
Is the tickets that's online the right ones?
Yeah, it appears that they are. Don't pay these 3 though, because if you pay these 3, then you're going to get the points that go. You're going to get even more points. You're going to get 3 points. So don't pay the new tickets that you got. Pay the old tickets that you were supposed to pay.
Okay. And did it end up showing you that I did pay some of them off already?
I didn't see anything like that. I see some stuff that's closed, but I would have to go through each one of those and see. And so you got, I'm gonna
able
give
to send you the receipts that was sent to
I
my
don't
email?
need to see them. You just need to pay that other stuff.
Okay.
That's 11820701 and SP 11820711. I'm gonna give you a review on that June 21st date for those as well. All right.
Thank you.
June 21st. Have a very good day, ma'am. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you. All right. Now, Mr. Roki, you don't have anybody, right?
Yes. Well, I also have Mr. Galab, his offer.
Okay. What about who else? Who else did you have?
Ramsey.
Caleb. All right. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Caleb. What's the offer for him?
He would plead to the civil infraction, plate violation, and blockading traffic, and the third ticket would be dismissed.
C5566561 is plate the improper. Wait a minute, it's not a civil infraction improper plate, it's a misdemeanor improper plate.
Okay, my mistake. The misdemeanor improper plate and blockading traffic from the civil infraction and the third count would be dismissed.
All right. You want to take the deal, sir? You have an absolute right to a trial.
It's no points. It won't go on your driving record.
You'll speak to him in a breakout room because you have to read him his advice or rights as well, all right?
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Your Honor, can I get Mr. Larry in a breakout room?
You may. You can put Mr. Larry in a room. You have control. Your room is going to be 2, Mr. Barry.
Yeah, I can't seem to find him. There we are.
It's the names, Judge. Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I know Mr. Gaylor doesn't have his. All right, let's pass that matter. Mr. Dupree, good morning to you. All right, James iPad. James iPad.
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning to you. What is your last name, sir?
Garrett.
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 James Isaac Garrett, correct?
Correct.
Correct, the wrong never did to me. So
Make sure the lawyer comes out, all right?
All righty.
that's right. The DNA.
Somebody's whispering there.
Was any surprise since you had a crush on her?
You. All right, Mr. Roki, we ready?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we're back on the record with Mr. Galeb. Yeah, Mr. Galeb, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he wants to avail himself of the recommendation.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Galeb?
Yes.
Can you raise your right hand, please?
Yep. Yes.
You swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand that the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Ms. Soroki went over your other advice or rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes.
You understood those rights?
Yes.
Any questions about those rights?
No.
You know by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No.
Let me draw your attention back to December the 3rd, strike that. Let me draw your attention back to March the 12th, 2024, at around 4:59 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Mount Elliott and LeGrand. Did you have an occasion on the day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department? Mr. Gala?
Sorry, it was cutting off. I couldn't hear that clear.
I said, let me draw your attention back to March the 12th, 2024 at around 4:59 p.m. in the city of Detroit in the area of Mount Elliott and LeGrand. Did you have an occasion on that day to come encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
No.
You did?
That's all. Mr. Gale,
Yeah.
did you stop by the police in the city of Detroit?
Yeah.
On that date and time, on March the 12th, did you get stopped by police on at Grand, sir?
No. I didn't get stopped.
All right. Trial date, Mr. Soroki. He's not, I think you're gonna have to either zoom in or show your face or something. I don't know if you're not understanding what's going on or not. I can give you a chance to speak with him again.
Why don't you put him back in the breakout room, Your Honor? He said he's having problems hearing the court.
Tell him to zoom in. Show him how to zoom in, all right? Join the breakout room, please. Pass the map. Mr. Berry, are you ready on anybody? Mr. Berry, are you ready on anyone?
Mr. Larry, Your Honor.
Where's Larry's spot? Maurice Larry? How do I did I pronounce something?
Yeah.
And let's go back on the record with Mr. Larry. Mr. Larry, he's the one that had the driver's license. Let's go back on the record, Mr. Larry. Mr. Larry, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counselor, what's your client? What's the offer? You get an updated offer?
There is an updated offer. However, Your Honor, as to the two remaining charges, Mr. Larry was informed at his last hearing when you were away that he had until May 13th. He was to return on May 13th with the insurance and the registration. If we could get a hearing date on that, at that time, he'd be able to successfully obtain those documents.
Yeah. I got it. All right, come back on. They'll have a hearing on May 13th. All right, May 13th, 2024 at 8:30. All right.
All right, Your Honor, is there anything that I need to pay off before I get any of my documents?
Well, what you need to do, you're probably going to need to pay this reinstatement fee up front.
Okay.
Still, you're going to have to come down. If you don't get down here soon, I think this reinstatement fee is going to suspend your license.
Okay, so I need to come down there to pay it. Is there no way I can pay it online or anything?
No, but it's no way that you can pay it online to do that. You have to come out here with $45. You have to come to the window. I wish I could set it for you to pay it, be able to do that, but I can't.
Okay.
And I would suggest you get down here today and pay that $45 up front.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Do I have to pay cash, card, anything?
Cash, $45. I'll bring $45. I don't know how they're gonna accept it, but you gotta come to the window. Ms. Mathis is putting it in now, and then you come back May 13th with other documentation, all right?
All right. Thank you.
Have a great day, sir. Best of luck to you.
All right.
All right, nothing, this is, let's go recall the city of Detroit versus Alana Giddings, case number SB 146-56141, SB 146-56151, SB 149-21241. Mr. Berry, can you put your appearance on the record, please?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Giddings.
I think we lost her again. All right, past that matter. Okay, Ms. Soroki, is Mr. Caleb ready?
He was trying to come in on Zoom and he said,
Yeah. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you. Can you turn your camera on?
Is it on yet? No. Hold on.
Start the video, sir.
Saying unable to access camera.
All right, we're gonna pass it until you figure it out. All right. City of Detroit versus James Isaac Garrett, case number SB 154-74061, SB 154-74391. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Soroka on behalf of James Garrett.
Mr. Garrett, state your name for the record, please.
James Isaac Garrett.
All right, today is the date and time set for a pre-trial. The offer as it's written is amended count of 1 to 5 for disregarding the red signal and a failure to display. That's one of those offers. If you take that deal, you're probably not going to be able to, if you don't already have a valid license, you probably won't be eligible for a license for 2 years. You have an absolute right to a trial, Mr. Garrett. I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with Ms. Soroki, and you can speak to her about it, all right?
Okay.
Just sit in these fingers, speak your name down the document.
Yeah. Let her pay the reinstatement fee on that one. All right, let's pass that matter to they talk. Is that person still out there?
Yeah, he's still out there. Yeah, it's more.
Okay, good. James Little, Ramsey is, let's go back on the record with Mr. Caleb. Last time, all right. Mr. Kenneth, are you there now, sir?
Yeah. Okay.
Take your hood off, please.
Yeah.
Now, do you understand what's going on?
Yeah.
Draw your attention back to what, March the 12th, 2024, city of Detroit, in the area of LeGrand and Mount Elliott. Did you have an occasion on that day to come in encounter with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Was there something wrong with the plates on your vehicle?
Yes.
What was wrong with them?
I had no registration.
Let's make it proper. And what about, stipulate to the basis of the ticket as an accurate factual basis for that? A responsible plea counsel for the blocking traffic?
Yes.
Ms. Soroki, you there? All right, with that stipulation, we'll find you guilty as charged to the improper plate, $240 fine for that. I told you I'll dismiss upon payment. and I'll find you responsible for the amended count of blocking traffic, neither of which will carry any points or abstract. And then I'll close that out for $175. We'll dismiss the other matter with the stipulation of probable cause. We'll dismiss the non-security. When can you pay? $240 and $175.
I can do that today or tomorrow.
All right. You want to pay it on the kiosk and come back tomorrow, and I'll close the stuff out.
Yeah.
All right. Come back tomorrow morning at 8:25. Pay it at any DivDad kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDad app to your phone, or you can come on down to the courthouse and pay it in person. Those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it.
Yeah.
There's nothing further, Mr. Gale. Gale, have a very good day. Best of luck to you. All right.
Thank you. You too.
All right. Good. All right. Let's go back on the record. Let's try this again with Miss Alana Giddings. Had some trouble with your device this morning, ma'am. Mr. Berry, you put your appearance on the record for Ms. Giddings, didn't you?
I did, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Giddings, can you state your name for the record, please?
Elena DeShira Giddens.
All right, good morning to you. Today is the date and time. We're going to need an updated offer. It's only two matters on the docket today. That's no registration, improper plate. It's a plea to the improper plate, dismiss the other matter, a $240 fine. There's also a no insurance proof civil infraction. Get an updated offer from Ms. Mason, and then I'll put Ms. Giddings in a breakout room, and you wait on Mr. Berry to come speak. Keep in mind, Ms. Giddings, you have an absolute right to a trial, all right?
Okay.
Join the room, Ms. Mason and Mr. Berry. All you're doing is seeing what's gonna go with that no insurance proof for Giddings. All right, let's pass that matter. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Garrett. Mr. Garrett, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, he does not have a license, so he wants a chance to go to Secretary of State. Pay
Let's
with
just set a trial date.
Thank you.
Set a trial date, June, you know, that'll give you that's the longest I can give you for a trial is June 24th. If you get that license, and that'll put you in a lot better position when you come back. All right, Mr. Garrett?
No problem. One question, sir.
June 21st at 9 a.m. June 21st, 2024 at 9 a.m. It doesn't appear you need to do anything down here. I don't know if you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions, but down here you look to be clear. So go to the, if you can't, if they don't give you a license, and you need to ask them for a printout, they should tell you what's going on in any jurisdiction, all right?
No problem, sir. Thank you.
Have a great day, sir. June 21st, 24, 9 a.m. All right, have a great day.
Thank you.
Mr. Dupree, are you ready?
Good morning, Judge. My apologies. I've been in and out. I know. Yes, I am ready.
Who's the client?
Judge, my client is Brianna Gray, and I have not seen her here yet this morning. I don't know how late you want to go.
Is Brianna Gray here? I will give her a few minutes. All right, let's go. James Little.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you.
Good morning. How you doing, Your Honor?
Well, thank you. What's your middle name, please?
Randall, R-A-N-D-A-L.
This is the city of Detroit versus James Randall Little, case number SP 1539143, counts 1, 2, and 3, and 19-399-7911. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Mr. Little.
Mr. Little, state your name for the record.
James Randall Little.
Today is the date and time set for a pre-trial in the matter. The offer, as it stands now,
Brianna, what time are you seeing him under?
I see him under 8:35.
Okay, thank you. He's not on my, yeah, he's not on this docket, so.
And he's not on the city attorney's docket either. So he has a no ops back in 2019. He has a no license now, a no insurance, and a disregard and a red signal. So get him an offer on those 4 cases. And keep in mind, Mr. Little, you have an absolute right to a trial. Wait and break out room 3 for Ms. Soroki. And Ms. Mason and Ms. Soroki join room 4, work out something for Ms. Little, and we'll see where it goes. Pass the map. Galloway. Is Goldman here? Is Goldman here? Goldman? All right, Officer Kakis, good morning to you. I was going to say you missed the bus, but Goldman's not here, so that I'll put you in the breakout room if Goldman shows. All right. Galloway.
I'm here.
Morning to you, sir.
Morning to you, sir.
Groves is the officer on Galloway. Is Officer Groves here? I don't see a Groves. All right, City of Detroit versus Jermon Galloway. Case numbers. SP 1546209, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please. Oh, there's no lawyer here. So, since this is there an officer? T. Groves, badge 2366. Hearing no response and not having seen that officer in the breakout room, we're gonna dismiss the case. All right, dismiss no officer. All right. Have a very good day, sir.
You too.
All right, thank you.
You as well. Thank you.
Judge, I've got to jump over to Frank Murphy. Is it okay if I return?
Yeah, no problem. Oh, there's somebody here on Motorola.
Let's see if it's.
No. Motorola Moto G. Just stepped in the room.
No, this is Demetri Corbin.
Demetrius who?
Demetri Corbin. Corbin.
Corbin?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. Let's look you up because I don't see you on my docket. I don't believe you're not. I don't. Let's see. Corbin, Demetrius.
Demetric, Demetric. Middle name Lee, Lee. Last name Corbin, Corbin.
Lee, okay. All right, let's see. You're supposed to be next door.
Oh,
wait a minute.
This ain't Jones K.
It is. You're supposed to be here on the 12th.
On 12.
It's from Stanford Jones to me. Scheduled for arraignment 3:13 in front of me. Scheduled for pretrial on the 12th. Well, no. April the 1st.
Right.
April the 1st.
Yeah.
Maya would come over here to me. Maybe because you got it in the 4th precinct. All right. Let's see if we can find this file. All right, who are we ready on?
Gettings, Your Honor.
All right, let's go back on the record with Gettings. Ms. Gettings, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel in the breakout room. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
We seek a bench trial date, Your Honor.
All right. Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gettings?
Yes.
Is that what you want to do, Ms. Gettings?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, June 24th, 2024 at 9 a.m. June 24th, 2024 at 9 a.m. We need some trial dates.
Okay.
All right, have a great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
You too. Thank you.
All right, Gatewood is up next. We have officers in the breakout room. Who's going to do Gatewood?
I can handle it, Your Honor.
All right, why don't you, okay. Let's go back on the record with James Randall Little. What's going to be offer for this? Did you get an offer?
Yeah, Your Honor, the red signal is going to 1 to 5. No insurance is being dismissed, and there was going to be a fail to display, but he indicates now he has a valid license.
Let's see what the license looks like. Let's run his license, please. All right, let's go back on the record with Little. The license is valid.
Your Honor, I did have an opportunity to discuss this with the city attorney. They are willing to dismiss the no insurance. My client has a valid license. I'd ask him 2 no license counts be dismissed. And the red signal is being reduced to 1 to 5, and he's going to plead responsible to that.
So it's on the.
I'm assuming Mr. Mason will be good with dismissing the licenses because he has a valid license.
The court will dismiss the valid license. It's valid. All right. Stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea, counselor. You want that 1 to 5? It's going to be 1 point on your license, Mr. Little.
Yes, sir.
All right, stipulate to the face of the ticket as an active factual basis for that responsible plea.
So stipulated.
If there's probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
Find you responsible for the amended count of 1 to 5, $125. When can you pay it? When can you pay, Mr. Little?
$125, correct?
Yeah, take the toothpick out your mouth. When can you pay it?
I could pay it the first of next month.
The first of the next month, $125. Why so long?
Hold on, it said income.
5/2/2024. Make sure you pay it at any DivDac kiosk in the city of Detroit. I'm told you can upload that DivDac app to your phone, or come on down to the courthouse. And those are the two best ways I can tell you to pay it. If there's nothing further, sir, have a very good day. Best of luck to you.
All right, thank you.
Thank you. Can we get a global offer on Gatewood, Ms. Soroki? Ms. Gatewood, once Ms. Soroki gets you the offer, I'm gonna put you in a breakout room with her. You can speak to her about the cases. I think we have at least one. Well, I thought we did. Let's see. Gatewood, maybe we don't. Maybe we don't. City of Detroit versus Phoenicia Gatewood, case numbers SP 1243080, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1418548, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1418588, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, behalf of Ms. Gatewood.
State your name, Mr. Gatewood, please.
Quenisha Gatewood.
I have 7 on the docket. I have 6 on the docket and 7 here. Let's see which one we're missing. We have SP 82. We have that one. 548183. That one. One with that one. Okay, 1 with that one. Okay, 2. We're missing an expired plate. It should be on the docket. But that should be covered because the officer was supposed to be here. So do we have an officer type? I think it's Thomas Ireton. Officer Ireton, Officer Jalen Mapson. Hearing no response to any of those. Go ahead, Counselor.
Your Honor, I'm making a motion, and I'm just saying I do not see any of them in the breakout rooms either. At this time, I'm making a motion to dismiss these matters.
All right, well, there you go, Ms. Gatewood. That should make your day feel a lot better, at least. I don't know what else you're going through, but I'll be praying that you get through it. We're going to dismiss these cases, all right?
Thank you.
Have a very good day.
You as well. Okay, you as well. Bye-bye.
All right. Gatlin. City of Detroit versus Ashley Gatlin. Case number SP 888-6741, SP 973-3671, 16-258-6141, and the state of Michigan versus Ashley Gatlin, SX 25163-692. Appearance for the record, please.
Elvis Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Ms. Gatlin.
Ashley Gatlin.
Today is the date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. We would waive the reading of the information and stand mute.
enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. I have some tickets dating back to 2016, 2017, 2019, 2016. What do you want to do with these tickets, Counselor? What's your client want to do with it?
Well, I seek dismissal for age, Your Honor.
Well, I don't know if they're going to dismiss the, I don't know what the policy is now. I don't. Speak to Miss Mason in the breakout room and see.
Yes,
motion is for dismissal for age. It's 2019, I think it's you have a valid license, Miss Gatlin?
No, I have been clearing all of my tickets up. I live in Georgia now since 2019, and I have been paying off. You guys should have gotten $2,200 from me recently, so I can get my license down here. I have been trying hard. That's why I paid all that money recently for to lift my bond up, and $1,835 for my ticket.
Speak to Miss Mason about the motion, and then let us know what happens after that, and then we'll let you speak with the lawyer, Ms. Gatlin, and see where it goes. All right?
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. Bar iPhone 13. Bar iPhone 13.
Yes.
Yes. Good morning to you, sir. What's your name, please?
Jabari Law.
Jabari Law.
Jabari, yep.
Jabari Law.
Yes.
What?
All right, Ms. Gatlin, you're gonna have to mute yourself, please.
Oh.
Not in the driver's seat, are you? Have a valid license, Mr. Law?
No, I gotta wait till I had to wait till the day so I can go to Secretary of State.
Take your headband off, your do-rag off. You're in the driver's seat.
It's not do-rag. I'm at work. It's not do-rag.
You gotta drive, you're in the driver's seat of a vehicle though, huh?
I'm in my brother's car. We work together.
I didn't ask you that, did I?
You said what now?
I said I didn't ask you that, did I?
Yeah, I'm sitting in the car doing the video right now.
Yeah, I know. You're in the driver's seat, correct?
Yes. I'm not driving though. I'm just sitting in the car doing the video right now.
I see you're not driving. This is the city of Detroit versus Jabari Marquez Law, case number SP 1559201, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 970283, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 970336, counts 1 and counts 2. State of Michigan versus Jabari Marquez Law, case number SX 4269389, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke on behalf of Jabari Law.
All right, Mr. Law, state your name for the record.
Jabari Law.
All right, we only have, well, let's strike SP 970336, counts 1 and counts 2 from the record. Those are old civil infractions. We only have the SP 970283, counts 1 and counts 2, and the state cases SX 4269389, counts 1, 2, and 3 on the record. Today is the date and time set for a trial. We do have Corporal Spidell here. I'll bring him out of the breakout room. And then the other 3 cases appear to be newer cases. So as far as those 3 cases are concerned, those are set for show cause on May the 10th. We'll ring them on those now. Go ahead, Counsel.
Your Honor, I waive the formal reading of the information and stand new to the charges. But he also has two matters that don't have an officer here, correct?
Yes, 3 matters, so go ahead for those.
Your Honor, regarding the matters that are written by Officer Lee Scott, today is a date and time set for trial. That officer is not appearing, moving for dismissal of those counts.
We'll grant that motion to dismiss, no officer. All right, now we have Corporal Spidell. Good morning to you. Can you put your appearance on the record, please? Did Corporal Spidell ever come out the breakout room? It looks like he left the meeting. All right, the offer as it stands right now, I don't know if he wants to try to get a global resolution for all of this, but the SP 970331 cases, which go back to 2019.
What were those counts, Your Honor? I'm sorry.
One was open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, and the other count was driving while licensed improper.
Well, those are the two we have on the docket.
Yes, and then he has another 3 tickets of unregistered, untitled, no insurance misdemeanor, and another count of driving while licensed improper, which we arraigned him on $0 bond, not guilty on his behalf. I'm going to give Corporal Spidell. He's still here. So I'm trying to, Ms. Mason, can you go get your?
Did, Your Honor? I told him I went in there. I'll try to pull him out, but I did tell him to get on out of here. Get in here. I'll try again.
All right. So why don't you work it out with? Talk to Ms. Mason about how you guys are going to proceed. Then I'm going to give you an opportunity, Mr. Law, to speak with Ms. Soroki, who's your defense counsel today, and then we'll try to get you out of here as soon as we can.
Can I just ask? You don't have veiled license, correct? No. All right. I don't think you do. All right. Thank you, Your Honor. I'll wait for Mason.
Join the breakout room 3, Mr. Law, and wait on Ms. Soroki, all right?
Ms. Mason, can you join me in a breakout room, please?
Okay, room 4.
Ready on anybody, Mr. Berry?
Ms. Gatlin, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record for Ms. Gatlin. Ms. Gatlin, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Go ahead, Mr. Berry. What's going to be the deal?
Well, Your Honor, my conversation with the prosecutor, the people would like to set this matter for a bench trial date.
Ms. Gatlin, do you want to set it for a trial date?
What that mean?
That means you just go ahead and it's likely old tickets. They want to see what officers show and what officers don't. If they don't show, we'll dismiss the cases.
Okay. So that mean I can't try to get my license down here yet?
I don't know why you can't get your license.
That's why I paid all the money. They said contact Michigan, and when I contacted the cashier office, she gave me $1,835 plus the $600 warrant. So I paid all of that.
Unfortunately, he probably shouldn't have paid all that, because a lot of times there's a lot of moving violations caught up in those cases, and you pay 2 moving violations and you aren't eligible for a license for 2 years. So you need to check with the Secretary of State. Secretary of State can give you a printout and tell you exactly why you're not eligible for a license.
Okay.
You should come to court anytime you get a ticket, ma'am. Don't just go paying unless you have some light advice from a lawyer. You're not a lawyer, and those things happen a lot of times. I see it happening all the time. People are trying to get stuff resolved, and they got the cash, and they just go pay it without the advice. It happens.
Okay, so do you see that any tickets being wiped
I
out?
would have to go through each one of those and see.
Okay.
And really, at this point, these tickets that you have now are misdemeanors, so you couldn't have paid those tickets.
No, these probably was the tickets that were on the warrants that I had.
Right.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
So if I come back on June 28th, ma'am, and we'll get some resolution then, all right?
Okay. Thank you.
All right, June 28th.
Excuse me, what time?
9 a.m.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a great day. Best of luck to you.
You too.
City of Detroit versus Marvin Edward Gibbs. Case numbers SP 1543873, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1543875-1. SP 1547757, counts 1 and counts 2. Appearance for the record, please.
Elwood S. Berry Jr., on behalf of the defendant, state your full name, Mr. Gibbs.
Marvin Edward Gibbs.
Good morning to you, sir. Today is the date and time set for a ranking on the bench warrant on at least 2 of these cases. Go ahead, Counselor.
Yes, Your Honor. My client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. We'll give your client a $0 bond. The offer, you have to get an updated offer from Miss Mason. I don't even see that there was an offer at all given for Gibbs, because my docket has Gibbs, but Miss Mason's docket doesn't appear to have Gibbs. So you have an absolute right to a trial. I see owes a reinstatement fee. I don't know if that'll help you get a license or not, but we'll allow them to pay that up front if so. And then you can get an updated offer. You see the cases. I have 3 civil infractions, 2 expired plates, 1 no insurance, and then 2 misdemeanors, 1 driving while license suspended, 1 no insurance. All right.
Your Honor, this defendant doesn't show up on my docket at all.
I know it doesn't. It's not going to show up on hers either.
Right.
So the docket came updated. Y'all don't have an updated docket. So write that down, Mr. Berry. 2 expired plates, civil infraction, 1 no insurance, civil infraction, and 1 driving while license suspended, and no insurance misdemeanor. All right, let's pass the matter. You get an updated offer from from Ms. Mason, and we'll put you in a breakout room, Mr. Gibbs, with Mr. Berry. All right. Pass the matter. All right, let's move on. 467-91-89. Who's on the phone at 467-91-89?
It's probably Demetri Foreman. I don't know the phone.
Yeah, that's you. That's you. Yeah, we're ready, Ms. Soroki, or you're, hold on, let's wait on the lawyer. Ms. Mason, can you join the breakout room 4, please, and speak to Mr. Berry?
I'm sorry, Your Honor.
Can you join the breakout room 4 and speak to Mr. Berry?
Yes, sir.
Goolsby.
Yes, sir.
Good morning to you, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Is there Officer Martinez here for Goolsby? Officer Martinez for Goolsby. Raul Martinez, City of Detroit versus Michael Allen Goolsby, case number SP 1476594, counts 1 and counts 2. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Goolsby.
Mike Goolsby. Mike Goolsby.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a trial. And there's no Michael Martinez. There's no Officer Rule here. Mr. Berry, can you put your appearance on the record for Mr. Goolsby, Michael Allen Goolsby, set for trial today?
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant. State your full name, Mr. Goolsby.
Michael Allen Goolsby.
All right. Let's. There's no officer.
Oh, Your Honor, the motion is for dismissal.
We'll dismiss no officer. All right. Have a good day, Mr. Goolsby.
Thank you, Mr. Judge Perkins. You take care and have a wonderful year.
Judge, this is city prosecutor. We need the charges on Gibbs.
Right. On Galloway, that's been dismissed too, Mr. Berry. Galloway, tell Ms. Soroki that's been dismissed, no officer. Gibbs, I gave the charges on Gibbs. Gibbs, 1, no insurance misdemeanor. 1, no driving while license suspended. 2 civil infractions, expired plate, and 1 civil infraction, no insurance proof.
Okay, thanks, Judge.
Are we ready on law?
Barry, go to 4. Barry, go to 4.
Yes.
What about law? Anybody speak to law?
Yes, I'm here. Oh.
All right, hold on a second. All right, Pam Gibbons is going to be next. Who is Pam along? That you came on before.
I'm here, Your Honor.
What's your name again, ma'am? You came on Pam along before.
I'm sorry, I didn't hear you.
What's your name? Good morning to you.
Good morning to you. Pamela B. Long.
Pamela B. Long.
Yes.
Okay. Mr. Roque, are we ready on law?
All my things are ready. Let's see what the law was.
Yes, I'm here.
Bar iPhone 13.
We're ready.
All right, did you speak to him?
I did, Your Honor. The people's offer is my client would plead to improper plate and 1 count of open alcohol passenger. All other counts have been dismissed. He's waiving his rights.
Is that what you want to do, Mr. Law? You know this is a 2-point offense, and we'll abstract on the Secretary of State, and it will be a driver alcohol-related offense on your driving record.
Yes.
And then the other newer cases are going to be dismissed as well. 1 improper plate and 1 and then the open alcohol, right?
Yes.
Improper plate is $240 fine. Is a misdemeanor, but I'll dismiss that upon payment. It will not abstract to the Secretary of State. Can you raise your right hand, sir? Swear or affirm, tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth.
Yes.
You can put your hand down. You understand the maximum possible penalty for this offense is 93 days in jail and or $500 in fines?
Yes.
You understand that you have an absolute right to a trial?
Yes.
Mr. Roki went over your other advice and rights in the breakout room, did she not?
Yes, she did.
You understood those rights?
Yes, I do.
Any questions about those rights?
No, sir.
You know, by taking this deal, you're going to give those rights up?
Yes.
Has anybody offered you anything other than what's been stated in the record?
No, sir.
All right, let me draw your attention way back to February 9th, 2019, around 2:37 p.m. in the city of Detroit, in the area of Myers and Schoolcraft. You have an occasion on that day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Were you in a motor vehicle at that time?
Yes.
Officer, did you have some alcohol in that vehicle?
Yes.
What'd you have?
A can of beer.
A can of beer, was it open?
Yes.
Did it have alcohol in it?
Yes.
Satisfied, counselor?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
We're satisfied, find your client guilty of the amended count of open alcohol in motor vehicle passenger, $240 fine. Let me draw your attention back to March the 1st, 2024 at around 5:26 p.m. City of Detroit in the area of Joy Road and Hubble. You have an occasion on the day to come in contact with the Detroit Police Department?
Yes.
Same officer, huh?
I believe so.
Operating a motor vehicle on that day?
Yes.
Officer asked you to produce a valid driver's license?
Yes.
You couldn't do so, could you, sir?
No, I couldn't.
Why is that?
I can't hear you say again.
Why couldn't you produce the license?
I'm paying on my license right now I'm paying on, I only owe 800 more.
License suspended?
Yes.
All right, very well. Find your client guilty of the amended count. No, strike that, strike that, strike that. Was there, well, you could say improper play. I mean, allowing, but, did the officer ask you to produce a valid insurance on that?
Yes.
Vehicle? You couldn't do so, could you?
No, sir.
Why is that?
Because I couldn't register the car. I couldn't get insurance till I got the car registered till I take care of this ticket.
Very well. Find him guilty. I'll strike the other guilty plea of the license from the record. We'll find him guilty of the amended count of improper plate for the no insurance. $240 fine dismissed upon payment. Stipulate the probable cause for the dismissal of the other matters.
So stipulated.
When can you pay, sir? 240 and 240 I have here. You're gonna owe another 228 for these old tickets and another 258. That 258 appears to be what's really holding your license up for the no insurance civil. But 240 is what I'm concerned about. I'm waive the warrant fee, allow make and he'll pay the reinstatement fee. When can you pay?
Probably have to get on a payment plan. Probably $50 a week or.
I need a date. I need a date. I'll give you 30 days to set the payment plan up. If you want to do that, I'll allow you to enter into a payment plan.
All right.
All right. 5-2, come on back, 5-2. I'm gonna mark the file, allow payment plan. You might wanna go pay that $258 now, and you can potentially set yourself up to get a valid license while you're paying this stuff off. Come back on May the 2nd, 2024 at 8:25 for review, all right, Mr. Law?
Yes, the one you say I got to pay $258 for. Which one is that? So I can let the Secretary of State know.
No insurance, no insurance civil, no insurance civil.
All right, and I pay that to the Secretary.
That's
I pay
at
that to
least
the
what's
Secretary of State.
Yeah, no, you pay that down here at the courthouse. Pay it on the kiosk or at the courthouse. That's at least what's blocking you from getting clearances down here, all right?
All right, thank you. You said May 2nd, what time?
May 2nd at 8:25.
All right.
And then set that payment plan up in between now and then, so you don't have to worry about me anymore. Unless you don't make the payment plan. All right, have a good day. Best of luck to you.
And excuse me, sir, can I ask you a question? When I made the payment plan, I just go down there and tell them to set up. Can I set up a payment plan? How to do that?
It should, yeah, you have to come down to the window. It should be marked in the computer that I'm allowing you to make the payment plan.
All right, thank you.
Have a good day, sir. Best of luck to you.
True.
City of Corporal Spidell, have a good day. Oh yeah, Goldman's not here, so Goldman's not here, so Cakish, you have a good day.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Gutierrez is not here, so Walton can leave. I don't know if Lee is here or Lloyd is here. I don't think any of those people are here. Let's go City of Detroit versus Dimitri Lee Corbin, case number SB 154-28226, counts 1 and 2, SB 154-28571. Appearance for the record, please.
How you doing, sir? Dimitri Lee
Colin
Corbin?
Stokey on behalf of Kevin, Your Honor.
Hi, good morning to you. Today is the date and time. It's not on the trial. It's not on the docket either, because this was sent to us from Judge Stanford Jones. So he has a no insurance misdemeanor, open alcohol and a motor vehicle driver, and fire plate. So get with Ms. Mason, get him an offer, and let us know what. And he has an absolute right to a trial. Or we can just set a trial date up right now.
Is it a pretrial, Your Honor?
It is a pre-trial, but it's just not on our docket because there's a.
Okay.
Let's pass the matter. I'll let you work that out with Ms. Mason, all right?
Yes.
Let's go back on the record. Are we ready on Gibbs?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibbs. Mr. Gibbs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. What I can do for your client, Mr. Berry, is allow him, he's in the building now, to go downstairs and pay this $45 up front. They can potentially set him up to get a license if he doesn't already have one.
He does not now have one, Your Honor. However, he would avail himself of the offer to enter a plea of failure to display and account of expired plates.
Do you have $45, Mr. Gibbs?
Yeah.
You got $45 on you right now?
Yes.
You want to take a chance and take the opportunity of trying to bring it back a valid license? I can let you pay this reinstatement fee. That's at least what's holding you up here. I don't know if you have any tickets in any other jurisdictions, but you pay that reinstatement fee, you wait 48 to 72 hours, and if you don't have any other tickets in any other jurisdictions, you can potentially get a license. I'll give you another court date of May the 23rd for a pre-trial, or June the 28th for a trial. Feedback from Mr. Berry. Rejoin that room, let him explain things to you.
Okay.
All right. Speak to him again, Mr. Berry, please. Rejoin the room, Mr. Gibbons. I'm gonna put him in a different room so it'll come back up. Join the room, Mr. Gibbons. Gibbons.
Okay.
Gibbs, Mr. Gibbs, join the room, please.
Gibbons or Gibbs?
Gibbs, I'm sorry, Gibbs. I'm sorry.
Wait.
All right, he's in there. I can see you. Are you laying down, ma'am? You went off camera. Are you laying down, Miss Gibbs? Gibbons?
No, I'm up. I
You
just
were
been
laying
waiting.
down. You
No,
were
I'm
laying
up.
down.
I was.
Inspector, good morning to you. I don't think we don't have a Gutierrez today.
Okay, I thought it was scheduled for today.
It may have been, but he didn't show. Let's see.
Oh, okay. He didn't show. He did comply, so.
Now let's see. Let's see what Gutierrez. Gutierrez. Do we have a Gutierrez on our document?
Yeah, Judge, he's at 835, page 3 on my plea offer sheet.
835, Gutierrez Roy. So you say he complied? Maybe he doesn't. Maybe he didn't know. Maybe he thought because he complied that he didn't have to show up. You're unsafe. All right, he's in compliance. We'll dismiss it to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
City of Detroit versus Roy Gutierrez, V12492-823. Appearance for the record, please.
Your Honor, Pauline Stroke, on behalf of Mr. Gutierrez, I'm going to ask the court to waive my client's appearance.
I'm just doing this for Miss Inspector Walton, because she's here all the time and waits all day long, and in her case never gets called anyway. So I just want to go ahead, Inspector, put your appearance on the record, please.
Okay, I'm Inspector Walter with the City of Detroit Building and Safety Department, ID number 1477.
So we have to give her time to shine too. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss the case. You say that he's coming to compliance. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Well, that's what we want. Ms. Walton, Inspector Walton, have a very good day. Always good to see you.
Same here. Thank you as well.
I gotta get you out of here soon. That's a lot sooner than usually got you out of here. All right.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Y'all have a good day.
You as well.
You too, sir. Your Honor, as a housekeeping matter, this is the city prosecutor. Did you say Goldman did not appear?
No, Goldman did not appear.
Okay. Okay, Officer Hill and Officer Kakish can go. Bye. Leave. Go.
All right, have a good one. Thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
Be safe out there.
Officer Hill is good. Thank you.
Be safe.
And other than housekeeping matter, Your Honor, or the city prosecutor, we're having a hard time hearing you. This is coming from the defense counsel as well. It's echoey. It's very echoey in your courtroom, and so it's hard for us to hear. So when we're saying we can't hear, we don't know what's going on, but it just sounds like you're in an echo chamber.
Is that better?
Nah, not really. What do you think, Soroki? Pauline, what do you think?
I can hear you, but there is a lot of background noise. So
That's Miss Mathis. I can't stop her. I can't do it. That's Miss Mathis making
I can stop if y'all need it.
No, let's go. I mean, we've been getting along. We only got 2 more cases. 3
Go
more
ahead, I'll
cases.
stop. I'll take a break.
No, it's not. It's for me. It's it's echoey. It's just I don't know what it is, but
your headphones too.
I have a lot of work. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you.
She just got herself a free break. She worked that in. That was clever. All right. Who are we ready on? Corbin?
yes. Oh, I got an offer for Corbin. I don't think I had an opportunity to explain it to him, but
Speak to Mr. Corbin in a breakout room. I'm gonna put him in a room and you can talk to him. Room 3.
thank you.
He's in there. No, thank Nine. All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Gibbs. Mr. Gibbs, I've given you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what should Mr. Gibbs want to do?
Your Honor, he'd like an opportunity to get his license by paying the reinstatement fee. And we'd set this matter for trial, bench trial.
All right. That what you want to do, Mr. Gibbs?
Yes.
All right. So what I'm going to allow you to do is pay that reinstatement fee up front, and then I'm going to set all the matters for a trial date on June 28th. Give me a minute. Let me get Ms. Mathis back in here so that she can put that in the system, and you can go downstairs right now and pay that $45, okay?
Okay.
So stand by, write the trial date down of June 28th, 2024 at 9 a.m., okay?
Okay, June 28th.
All right, so when Ms. Mathis comes back and gets that in the system, go downstairs and pay that $45, wait 48 to 72 hours after you pay that $45 and approach the Secretary of State and see if you can get a license, all right?
Okay.
All right, this is the City of Detroit versus Marquita Gibbons, case number SP105-23091, SP105-23111, SP1345896, counts 1, SP1549255, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1549289, counts 1 and counts 2, SP1563392, counts 1 and counts 2, 16315836, counts 1 and counts 2, 18468629 18468630 Appearance for the record, please.
Marquita Givens.
Mr. Berry.
Elwood S. Berry Jr. on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor. For purposes of arraignment, my client would stand mute.
Enter a not guilty plea on her behalf, give her a $0 bond. I can allow her to pay the reinstatement fee up front as well. It looks like one ticket is affecting her license. Or you can get an updated offer on all the matters. Strike 18468629 from the record. We're not even going to talk about that. That's an old failure to stop case. She'll just have to pay that. So speak to Ms. Givens in the breakout room. We can set the matter for trial, or we can give her an offer, but I will allow her to pay that no insurance proof reinstatement fee up front.
Yes, Your Honor.
Join the room, Ms. Givens, and speak to Mr. Berry, please.
Okay, thank you.
Join, put him in the system so that you can do that reinstatement. He's in.
Always tell me to refees.
He's in the hall.
He is. Well, we in court, I'll do it.
Yeah, so he can go down there right now.
To ensure that it's in.
All right, are we ready on anybody, Ms. Soroki?
Yes, Your Honor, we are ready on the Corbin.
All right, let's go back on the record with Mr. Corbin. Mr. Corbin, giving you an opportunity to speak to counsel. Counsel, what's your client want to do?
Your Honor, at this time, he's continuing his plea not guilty. He's requesting a trial date after July 4th. He has I think an exam on the same, or he's coming up on the criminal matter, which is the same for all these tickets. He got them at the same time.
Oh, okay. Can we get after July 4th, you mean?
Yes.
All right, we'll get him a trial date after July 4th. What you want, Mr. Corbin?
Yes, sir.
All right, come in July the 19th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Best of luck to you, sir. Have a very good day.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
All right. This is the City of Detroit versus Pamela B. Long, case number SP1522779, counts 1, 2, and 3. Appearance for the record, please.
Pauline Stroke on behalf of Pamela Long.
Ms. Long, can you state your name for the record, please? Unmute yourself. Mr. Gibbs, you can go down there now and you can pay that $45, and then you don't have to come back. If you have some trouble, you can come back up, but you can pay that $45 on that no insurance, and then you wait 48 to 72 hours to go to the Secretary of State after you pay that no insurance, okay? So this clearance can get there, okay? All right, come back on the date I gave you for trial on June 28th. Have a very good day, sir. Best of luck to you. I'm gonna put you out of the room. All right, Mr. Gibbs.
Okay.
All right, have a good one. Ms. Long. She's been having trouble with her device all morning.
She on a phone or she's on a Zoom?
She's on Zoom, but she's been getting put out, and I'm asking her to unmute herself now. But I don't think she's getting it. I don't know what's going on her end.
We still have 2 officers in the breakout.
Do we? They can leave.
So now my witnesses, Judge. I mean, I can go in and tell them. But, you know.
Yeah. I don't care. I'm trying to pull them out now.
I can tell them to come out.
One's out. Both of them are out. No, not yet. Corporal Hoard, good morning to you. Officer Hoard, your defendant didn't show.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Can you let Officer Spence know that as well? His or her defendant did not show you. You say
I'll let her know.
Have a very good day.
Thank you. You and your staff do the same.
Attorney Dupree, no gray. Have you ever gotten in touch with her?
Judge, I had texted her yesterday with a reminder. I'm checking to see if she replied to that.
Officer Spence, good morning to you. Lloyd never showed, so you're free to leave. Have a very good day. Be safe, okay?
Judge, I never did receive a confirmation from her. I've not been able to, I guess that I haven't actually spoken to her.
Have you ever had any communication with her?
Judge, she texted me from this number back in February. We had a text conversation. That's the last thing that shows up here. But when I texted her yesterday and asked her to confirm that she remembered she had court, she did not respond.
What's the first name?
Brianna.
All right, let's go on. Ms. Long, can you state your name for the record, please?
Good morning. My name is Pamela B. Long.
All right. Ms. Soroki, today is the date and time set for a pretrial for Ms. Long. She has a 16 to 20 over, driving license suspended, and an expired plate. As it stands now, the offer is FTD and a 6 to 10. That 6 to 10 is 2 points, and the FTD is a moving violation. That would more than likely not allow her to get a license for 2 years if she doesn't already have one. I'm going to put you in a breakout room, Ms. Long. You can speak to Ms. Soroki. And
okay. Can you check her license? I'm sorry, Your Honor.
You have an absolute right to a trial. Can you run Ms. Long's license, please?
Yes.
Are we ready, Mr. Berry?
Ready, Your Honor.
Let's go back on the record. Let's go off the record with Long and back on the record with Givens. What's the deal, Mr. Berry, on Ms. Givens? What's Ms. Givens want to do?
Ms. Givens would like the opportunity to pay the reinstatement fee and seek to get a license.
Let's set it for a trial date on the 28th of June, 2024 at 9 a.m. In the meantime, Ms. Givens, I'm allowing you to pay this reinstatement fee up front. You have to come down to the window. You have to get up out the bed, come down to the window, and pay the $45 on the no insurance proof. You pay the $45, ma'am, and you will wait 48 to 72 hours. There's no better way I can allow you to do that. You have to come down to the window. As soon as you pay the $45, wait 48 to 72 hours from that point and see if you can approach the Secretary of State for a license, okay?
Okay.
In the meantime, we'll just set all the matters for trial on June 28, 2024 at 9 a.m. If you don't have anything further, Ms. Givens, have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Okay, well, I did have two other court dates. Will I be able to address those at that time?
I'm making it like a one-stop shop. It's gonna be everything heard in that day.
Okay, thank
I
you.
can come until the 28th, but I suggest you get that $45 as quick as you can down here, come down to the window, pay the reinstatement fee and wait and try to go to get a license, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Great day, ma'am. Best of luck to you.
You too.
All right, let's go back on the record with Ms. Long. Ms. Long has a valid driver's license.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Your license is valid.
Okay, your judge, I'm willing to dismiss the license to suspend. And the expired place is dismissed as well.
All right, 6 to 10 over, that's gonna be 2 points on your license. Again, you have an absolute right to a trial, that'll be $135. That's the deal. If you wanna speak with the lawyer, I can allow you to do that, Ms. Long, or you can take the deal and we can get you out of here. What would you like to do?
Okay, $130. I paid my ticket, so I have license, and I took that course you wanted me to take. So
you did the course?
Yeah.
All right.
So $130, and I'll be fine.
You're gonna get 2 points, ma'am. I would probably just get a bench trial date and make sure the officer appears before I accepted those points myself. It'll be on Zoom.
Okay, I'll do the trial.
That's the gift that keeps giving if you take those points. All right.
Okay.
My client's requesting a bench trial date, Your Honor.
Well, let's find out about the course too. Where's the course? Did you send it to me, Ms. Long?
No, because they didn't send me a screenshot of me, and either they're going to email me my certificate or I can print it. But I pushed email and they didn't. I haven't gotten the email. And I do have the release from Oak Park of the clearance for paying my ticket.
Well, I know you got that because you have a valid license. We'll set a trial date / formal hearing and come on back on June 28th, 2024 at 9 a.m. All right?
Okay, you know what? I didn't get a notice about this trial date. Will I get a notice in the mail for the June 28th?
Are you still in Redford at 13556?
No.
That's why you didn't get the notice. What's your address?
4680 Rensselaer, RENSSELAER, and that's Oak Park 48237.
Okay. Very well. All right, trial 6/28. You should get that notice, but Ken, mark it down because we don't know what happens with the mail either sometimes. All right.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Have a great day, ma'am.
You do the same. Bye-bye.
Is that it?
I'm going to stand in for Mr. Dupree on that KPS. Oh, and we still have Miss Pam too, right? Oh, no, I'm sorry. So Mr. Dupree, I'm going to stand in for his KPS if you want to call it.
It's just gonna be a KPS. I don't know if we need to stand in.
Okay, he just wanted to, he just asked me because he had to go, so.
You want to put it on the record?
It's up to you. I don't care.
No, it doesn't matter to me.
If Ms. Mathis doesn't want me to do it, then I'm not going to do it, Judge.
This is the boss, so Ms. Mathis, do you want us to do it or not?
I'm sorry.
Put Ms. McKay on record for Ms. Gray. Let me see. I don't know if I have a good phone number for her or not. 313-719-4205.
You talking about from Brianna?
Yeah.
She's supposed to get a show cause, but y'all can't.
No, we'll show cause her then. I think they'd rather have a show cause anyway.
Supposed to get a show cause date.
All right, show cause, all right?
Do you have a date? Because I'll give it to Mr.
No, I don't know. You have a
I
date?
can give y'all the date for a second.
Okay, he can get a date.
Okay, give me just a second.
You can mark it on that. All right. If there's nothing further, that will conclude